Value-based modern education.
Admission open for current session.
Start with playgroup, Montessori and senior classes.
The academic performance involves the factors such as the intellectual level, personality, motivation skills, interest, study habit, or the teacher-student relationship.
So we can provide the facilities.
Qualified and experienced teaching staff with all new teaching techniques.
Fully equipped Montessori under supervision of trained Montessori teachers.
Colorful, healthy and child-friendly environment.
Teaching through latest audiovisual equipments, for instance projector for cartoon movies, learning activities and project system.
All activities under CCTV cameras. Play, learn and grow. Your future begins here. Explore, engage, empower to get future ready.
Best innovative experience.
Our learning methods are of the highest quality using the most recent and modern equipment.
So we can offer homework help, individual learning.
Online lecture link is the NCPSS and the HSPSS online lectures, and the next one is Professor M.M. Manzoor official.
Computer lab with internet connection and science lab.
Standby generator, transport and high quality with affordable fee structure.
And other good news is
We are opening the Hufaz section.
What is Hufaz section?
Hufaz section is just for those students who have completed their Hifz-e-Quran. Now they are interested in their matriculation. So we are offering the 3 years fastest track for Hafiz-e-Quran student.
oh, that's great.
Choosing the right school is one of the most important decisions you will ever make, and we make it our priority to ensure your admission experience friendly.
So contact us to arrange a visit or simply to have a chat so that you can find out more about what North City Public Secondary School can offer your child.
We show the future with unique quality.
Thank you.